Hey y'all, it's your girl Kenya for More Love in the Kitchen. Wanted to share this quick potato salad recipe with you guys, getting ready for Christmas Eve dinner around here, out here in Phoenix, Arizona. I have cut up my potatoes already and they're boiling. As you can see, everything's steamed up over here. I cut up about 8 russet potatoes. I didn't want to make a lot because we only have a few potato salad lovers here. And I am boiling 5 eggs, 5 large eggs. And I'm going to start chopping up my onion over here on the cutting board. And I'll be right back to put it all together. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and I have all of my ingredients here that I prepared. The potatoes are boiled. I had cut up the 8 potatoes as I told you, and I diced them. And then I boiled them. So that's that. The eggs are ready. Now this is something that I like to do with my eggs. I smash them with a fork. I boil the eggs and then I cut them up and then I smash them because I'm not the best egg eater. I don't really like eggs that much, so I like to try to kind of hide the eggs. Even though I like the taste in the potato salad, I don't want to have big chunks of eggs. So there you have that little secret there. So I'm going to put that 5 eggs to my 8 potatoes into the bowl. Now let's just talk potato salad. This is the way I make potato salad. There are so many different, you make your potato salad the way you like it. Some people, oh, I don't like potato salad. I don't like eggs. I don't like mayonnaise. I don't like making potato salad the way you see what I'm doing and take out or add to the way you like it. Okay, so we have that in there. Mix that up a little bit. And then you have the controversy of mayonnaise versus Miracle Whip. We like ours with Miracle Whip, so today we are using Miracle Whip. Now I got a little tiny bit of Miracle Whip that I need to get rid of, so I'm gonna use that first. It's probably only about a teaspoon in here, so I just want to get that out. Waste not, want not. Definitely is not the time to be wasting food right now. Okay, so I have been making this for a long time and I do not really measure, so I'm going to try my best to give you measurements on this. So I'm going to use this teaspoon and see how many teaspoons I end up with here. The mayonnaise, you know how you like your potato salad. Do you like your potato salad really mayonnaisey? Do you like your mayonnaise, your potato salad, I like it kind of dry? When you get the mixing, you will see when it gets to the consistency that you like. So this is 6 teaspoons now. I'm going to mix it up a little bit so I can see where I am. You can put these things in here in any order. It's a salad, it don't matter. That's probably a good place, 6 teaspoons for me to start. I can see I am going to probably need a little bit more, but for now, I'm going to leave it there. Onions. Some like onions, some don't. I like onions in mine. Chopped up a half of a large onion, which ended up being 3/4 of a cup. But because I don't have that many potatoes in here, I'm going to put about a half a cup of onions in here because you want potato salad, not onion salad. So you don't want to be too oniony unless you like onions a lot. Now the onions, I diced them up again really small because you don't want to be crunching into big pieces of onion. So put that in there. I'm gonna leave some so we don't have too much there. And then the next thing that I'm going to add is Sweet relish. I like sweet relish in mine. Some people use dill relish. Some people don't use relish. We like it in ours. Heinz sweet relish. It's probably about, I don't know, one. This is almost gone, so this is probably 2 good whole squirts. I'm gonna need 1 more of those. I like relish. And I like my potato salad to taste a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. I'm going to give it 1, 2, 3, 4 turns on the pink Himalayan salt. And then I am going to add a tablespoon of black pepper to start. Yes, I like a lot of pepper. So you might want to do a half a tablespoon. I did a whole one. Mustard, yellow mustard. I think that's what makes it southern potato salad. I don't know what they call it, but we like it that way. I'm gonna give it that much. That's probably a tablespoon. That's about it. Gonna stir it up. And let's see what we have. Now my mother loves my potato salad, and I wish she was here. She is here in town. She's just not at my house right now to be my taste tester. So I'm going to have to taste it myself to see what it tastes like. Now sometimes I'll put celery seed in this, or I'll chop up a celery stick real fine and put celery in there. But I thought I had celery seed, but I can't seem to find it. So today, no celery seed. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to put a little paprika in the potato salad and then also top it off with the paprika at the end. I like to mix a little in mine. Sometimes I put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there too, but I'm not doing it today because everybody doesn't like spicy. Okay, let me try it. See what it tastes like. I'm almost there. A little bit more salt. The pepper is fantastic. I will tell you that I am missing the celery seed, but maybe I'll run to the store and get some and put it here. And actually, it can take a little bit more onion. So I am going to put the rest of the onion in there. Mix that up, and I'm going to give it a little bit more Miracle Whip. It's a little bit tight. You need to have it a little creamier. We'll give it 2 more tablespoons. Now, at this point, you kind of want to start folding because I'm about to end up with mashed potato salad. But my mother, she loves it like that as well. But now I'm just gonna fold this in and not mix it so much. So keep that in mind that you don't wanna over mix it or over boil your potatoes because you will end up with mashed potato salad. Get that in there good though. You don't wanna have mayonnaise laying on top. This is a little workout, y'all. I'm about to work up a sweat here trying to mix this up. Okay. That looks like it's it to me. Let me taste it again. That's it. Homemade potato salad. And I'm gonna do this really quick. I'm gonna put the paprika on the top. And I'm gonna put the lid on and put it in the refrigerator. Here is the finished product. Just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy New Year's. I don't see you all again before then. Thank you for watching. Bye.